Hello everyone, my name's Adam and I'm a partnerships manager here at Insta360 Europe. So we're super excited to be here at IFA 2023. Really pumped about it. As you can see, we have a big team out here today. And we're excited to show the latest and greatest from Insta360. So we can start with the Insta360 Go 3, which just came out at the end of June. You can see now it has a flip screen, which is super nice. So for example, if you're interested in vlogging, you want to put it on the selfie stick, you get a live preview from the camera. So now you can vlog while you're traveling and see everything that the camera is seeing. The main thing that I love so much about this is now you can literally detach the Go 3 from the action pod. And now you have a 35 gram, the world's smallest action camera. Shoots 2.7K resolution as well. So the quality you get out of this for the size is pretty wild. In the box as well, you get a ton of cool accessories. This one is my favorite. This is a magnetic pendant. So a lot of you that already have the Go 2 are gonna be familiar with this. Our wonderful cameraman today also has a Go 2 on his chest right now. So I put it on like this, and now I can shoot hands-free POV. And again, pretty solid mount there. It's going to be great. So whether you're traveling, whether you're cooking food, whether you're a DJ, you're going to get insane chest POV shots there with the Go 3. And then let's take a look what else is in the box. We also have another magnetic mount for the hat. So I can easily use this clip here to clip it on the lip of my hat and shoot POV again of me, whether I'm unboxing a product, whether I'm cooking some food, or who knows what you're doing. You can see a cool POV. It can also go in a bag strap. It could go in your belt strap. There's tons you could do with it. Another mount. So this is the easy clamp, okay? So you see here, you can mount either the Go 3 itself, super tight on there. And also it's got the sticky on the bottom, so I could even just stick it on like that, take it off, give it a wash, and then it's good to use again. And then also you can see, say if I want to put it on my selfie stick and I want to do some vlogging, it's got a 1/4 20-inch female mount port here. Screw your selfie stick in and then you can just vlog away. So it's a super tiny but extremely versatile and mountable action camera, which is perfect for travel, I would say. We have our Insta360 Flow over here as well, which is an awesome AI-powered smartphone stabilizer. And you can see over here we have our flagship 360 action camera, which is the X3. So this is my camera of choice right now for all action sports and probably our best seller on the market. So it's a 5.7K, 30 frames per second, 360 action camera. So as you can see, it has these two fisheye lenses. So when I screw in my invisible selfie stick, which I have here, when I shoot my videos, now the stick becomes completely invisible. So you get these really insane third-person drone-like shots. So whether you're skiing, wakeboarding, riding a motorcycle, you name it, you can get insane 360 shots. So because our motorcycle vertical for our 360 action cameras is just exploding, we also are a partner now of BMW Motorrad. And you can see here they're displaying one of their newest e-bikes at our stand. And actually on Sunday, we'll be heading down to Austria with Harley Davidson for European Bike Week, who's another brand partner of ours now. Their community is also going nuts for our cameras. So I want to say a big thanks to you guys for tuning in today, and check out our products on Insta360.com. Check us out on Instagram and YouTube for more insane content. And yeah, that's my tips for today.